We're going to explain how to close the lid on your Miele vacuum cleaner. 1. First, make sure the dustbin is correctly seated. Sometimes, if the dustbin isn't fully inserted, the lid won't close properly. You should hear a satisfying click or feel a secure connection when the dustbin is correctly in place. Check for any obstructions. A stray piece of debris or a tangled cord could be preventing a good seal. 2. Next, locate the lid release mechanism. Miele vacuums often have a button, lever, or a specific area you need to press or manipulate before you can close the lid. Its location may vary depending on your model, so check your vacuum's manual. The manual should also show pictures and diagrams for additional clarity. 3. Now carefully line up the lid with the dustbin. Miele lids are usually designed to fit snugly. Don't force it. If you meet resistance, double-check steps 1 and 2. 4. Once the lid is aligned, gently but firmly press down on the lid, ensuring it fully engages with the dustbin. You should feel a secure closure. Again, you might hear a click or feel a slight resistance indicating a successful close. If it still won't close, you can try to lift the lid slightly and realign it. Pay close attention to how the lid and dustbin seem to connect. There might be specific grooves or alignment points that need to meet perfectly. 5. If you're still having trouble after checking these steps, it's possible there's a problem with the dustbin or the lid itself. Examine them carefully for any cracks, damage, or warping that could be preventing proper closure. You may need to consult your vacuum's user manual for further troubleshooting or contact Miele customer support for assistance. If you suspect a mechanical issue, attempting to force the lid closed could potentially cause further damage, so avoid doing so. Remember always to refer to your specific model's instructions for details. The location of release mechanisms and exact closing procedures might vary slightly between models. Therefore, using your vacuum's user manual as a reference is extremely helpful.